Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome to Listen and Understand English. Listen and understand English. So just watch, just look, listen well, listen good, and understand English. Today, we're going to talk about things that make me angry. 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 Anger is an emotion. Anger, it's an emotion. In this video series, we're going to talk about emotions. Angry, sad, aw, happy, yay. Emotions. Today, we'll talk about four things that make me angry. Four things that make me angry. Number one, I hate it. It makes me so angry. When I'm driving and somebody honks. Beep, beep, honks. Beep, beep. I hate it. It makes me so angry. When I'm driving and somebody honks. I hate it. It makes me so angry. Does it make you angry when somebody honks at you? Number two, I hate it. It makes me so angry when I see somebody, when I look, when I watch, when I see somebody getting bullied. Bullying is when somebody is mean to another person. When somebody is mean to another person, another human being, like me, like you, we're human beings. We should be nice. Friendly. But bullying is when you're mean. You're mean to that person. You're mean. Horrible. I hate it. I hate bullies. Don't be a bully. Never be a bully. Bad. Number three. I hate it. I hate it so much. When somebody has a dog, roof, 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 roof. They have a dog and the dog poops on the ground, and the person, the dog owner, doesn't pick it up. They don't pick it up, they just leave it. The dog poops and they don't pick it up, they just leave it. Oh, bye. I hate it. That's horrible. If your dog poops, you have to pick it up and throw it away. Don't never just leave it. Oh, goodbye. No, never. I hate it when people don't pick up after their dog. Number four, this is the last thing that I hate. This is the last thing. This is the end of the video. Number four, I hate. It makes me so angry. I hate liars. A liar is a person that talks, but they don't tell the truth. They don't tell the truth. Truth. My phone is blue. My phone is blue. But a liar would say, your phone is red. That's a lie. That's not true. The truth is that my phone is blue, but a liar would say, my phone is red. My phone is not red, it's blue. Saying it's red is a lie, and I hate liars. I hate liars. You should always try to tell the truth. Tell the truth. Even if it's hard, even if it's difficult, tell the truth. Don't be a liar. Okay, that's it. This was 4 things that I hate. It makes me angry. Ugh. But I'm not really angry. I'm happy. I'm happy that you're listening. I'm happy that you're watching. And I'm happy that you're understanding. Keep going, keep listening, keep watching, and your English will improve. That's all for now, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, goodbye. Do 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 do.